Welcome to Ask Chef Gilles. So today we will answer some of your questions.
What do you think if someday the Michelin Guide come to Indonesia?
I think that would be great because Michelin attracts a lot of attention. So people will want to have a look what's going on, who is the 1 Michelin star, the 2 Michelin star, the 3 Michelin star, and it will definitely attract a lot of tourists because everyone wants to try, what's the top restaurants and see what's happening in Indonesia. So definitely we want Michelin to come to Indonesia.
Hey, Chef, in your opinion, why the Michelin Guide didn't come yet to Indonesia?
I think Michelin, when they come to rate a country, they're looking for if the country has a strong economy to be able to support premium restaurants. Also, availability of a very nice product, premium products is very important. And of course, also the chefs. Is there chefs who do things different with their own style and are worth to talk about? That's what Michelin looks for. Yes, so more in details for Michelin to come and visit the country. It's a lot of investment for Michelin because they have to train the people rating the country, they have to produce the book, they have to also support the restaurants with marketing after. So for them they will go to that step, they need to be really sure that the food scene of that country is ready. And of course that the economy is there to support premium restaurants, like I said, but also chefs are comfortable working with produce that are available easily in the country, and the products can support a premium restaurant for chefs to have a bit fun with nice products. Of course, the chefs also give the stars and their rating mostly based on the chefs. There need to be chefs doing things a bit different, working also with local produce, making the food scene in Indonesia interesting and different than other places. That's all part of what Michelin looking for to come to a country. And of course also part of this is have the support from the local government, maybe from the Minister of Tourism. They need to be able to explain the public in general, also in Indonesia, what Michelin is, what it all is about, and why it's important for them to support Michelin because of tourists they will bring to the country, for the support they will bring to the restaurant and the restaurant scene, make it dynamic, and also bring attention to the whole country. So definitely, it has a lot of things in play when Michelin decides to come to and rate sometimes the whole country, sometimes maybe only a city or a couple of cities, the most active cities in that country.